Okay, so I just wanted to point out I made some progress in my game development. Here's the brewery that I've created. It's right around here. This is where my game player will spawn in VR. I just have a little car here, and this is like the parking lot. I'm going to just quick show some gameplay. It's got some stuttering inside because I think there's just too many polys in this, but I'm not sure yet. I'm working on it. So anyways, I'll just show you around here and give you a little idea. It's got sound, localized sound. Definitely a sense of size here. So here is when you first walk in. Whoa, whoops, my bad. Let's get back into this. Okay, let's go over here. I'll show what it's like to kind of throw this around. Boom. I'm gonna eventually have some sound that goes with this, but this is where the beer starts being made. These are kettles. They have their own localized sound. This is where I'm getting some flicker. If I look around too fast. Whoa. Definitely. I don't know where that one went. There's still some area here that will have bottle filler. Here's some of the tanks. It's still very rough, but I'm pretty happy with it. This is our shop. Going to be the shop. It's kind of like if we emptied out everything. I'm not really sure where I had this. Oh, this is the locker room. And back out here. Whoa, lots of flickering right here. But all in all, a pretty good first start in my game development, I think. So I'm gonna end it there.